friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another fun FabFitFun unboxing video. I had so much fun filming my very first FabFitFun unboxing video for spring, and I've got an even better one here for summer. I am so excited, so if you're here for it, let's go ahead and get started. I have been enjoying adding a lot more beauty and fashion and just overall self-care here to my channel, and FabFitFun is such a fun way to do that. So the way FabFitFun works is that you sign up for either an annual or a quarterly membership, and you receive 4 boxes a year, 1 per quarter, full of 6 full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, well-being, and home products that you get to choose. And each box is valued up to $350. There are 2 ways that someone can sign up for FabFitFun boxes. You can sign up seasonally, where you pay every 3 months, or you can sign up for an annual membership where you pay a little bit more upfront, but you are going to get a discount over the year. And this season, FabFitFun is offering 2 different types of promotions. One is for 20% off your first box if you sign up for a seasonal membership, and one that gets you a $200 plus free gift when you sign up for an annual membership. If you're interested in the seasonal membership, that 20% off code is Charlotte, and I'll have the link for you down below. And if you're interested in the $200 plus free gift with the annual membership, that code is CHARLOTTEGIFT, and I will have that again linked for you down in the description box below. When you're a FabFitFun member, you also get access to member only, and you get to shop different top brands at up to 70% off. Brands like Free People, Prada, Glossier, Coach, Fenty Beauty, and more. And you get to create the membership that you want. All members have the option to swap their box for shop credit on their site. So again, you are in complete control. Seasonal memberships are $69.99, and with that code Charlotte, you're gonna get 20% off your first box. Annual memberships are $219.99. That makes it $55 a box. And with that annual membership, remember, you're gonna get that $200 plus free gift using my code CHARLOTTEGIFT. Here's a look at the summer box. Super beautiful packaging. I absolutely love it. Screams summer, and one of the most fun parts is it's their 50th box. So that's super exciting. Let's go ahead and dig into this. I'm dying to see all the products. So first up, let's start with the big item here in the box, and that is this Moo Sunseeker tote. Oh my gosh, perfect for trips to the beach, for trips on the boat. I am absolutely in love with the striped detail on the inside. Like, can you even? I think I've told you guys my obsession with stripes, and then you add in stripes with summer and it's like extra, extra good. I love how deep this is. This thing is so big. Perfect for beach towels, for sunblock, for snacks, anything else that you want to put in there. I love like the natural woven design, so it'll look great with anything that you pair it with. I also love that the stripes are neutral, so that way, you know, whatever you're gonna pair this with, it's gonna look really, really nice. This bag, you guys, is $68 retail, so right there, my entire box is covered with just this one bag, and I love this. You know what else this is gonna be great for? Trips to the antique store. Gotta bring your own bag, and this is nice and big, perfect for that as well. Just love this so much. It's so soft too, and really, really light. Sometimes these can feel like really, really heavy, but really love this bag. Next up is this adorable beach visor. This is by the brand Beach Riot, and it is a 100% straw visor. This is so cute. It's got the adjustable Velcro strap. I love to float in a, I love to float on a float, either in the lake, the river, my pool, whatever. And this is perfect. It is so light that I could wear this and it's not going to completely destroy my hair, because it's not like squeezing my head. It is so light. I could just kind of put it on like that, and that's great. You can, you know, tighten it up if you want it to, like, you know, really stick on there. If I'm gonna wear this while I'm gardening or something, that would be great. But if I'm just gonna float around and I just want this to look good and shade my face, but not completely destroy my hair, that is perfect. Plus, I think it's really adorable, like really adorable. You can make it much tighter, obviously, but That is super cute. Like I said, it's 100% straw. It's got a really wide brim, which I really like. So you can keep kind of like the shape of your hair. It's also gonna cover a lot more of your face. The Velcro strap is adjustable, so you can tighten it if you want to, but I really like the way that that fits. This hat is from a luxury brand, Beach Riot, and it is $78 retail, but again, one price for that box, and this is perfect. I love this. Okay, next up in the box is the product I probably was the most excited about, and that is the NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick. And this is in the color Breathless. Oh yes, sign me up for anything NARS. Absolutely love. Here's the color, Breathless. On the Ulta website, it says that this is a $32 lipstick, and it also says that Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick is a color meets care hybrid lipstick with dimensional shine and 8-hour hydration. Sign me up. It's lightweight, non-sticky formula, glides on color and shine, giving lips a fuller looking appearance with buildable sheer to medium coverage. Oh my goodness, love that. This is perfect for summer, right? Like if you want to have some color, but you don't necessarily want a heavy lipstick. Here is what the color looks like. That is so pretty. I love lipstick, love it. And I already have some on, but that feels delightful. Oh, I love that. That's really pretty. Like I said, I already have some on, but just adding a little bit of that on there, that is so pretty. It's really, really light and nourishing, and it almost feels like I just put like a chapstick on my lips, not even like a lipstick, but that is fantastic. I understand why it is called the Sensual Shine Lipstick. It feels so good, and I love NARS products. They have super fun, cheeky titles to all of their products, and I absolutely adore that because I am a fun, cheeky person, so I'm here for it. Okay, sticking with lips, the next product is the Thrive Cosmetics Pout Hero Liquid Balm Lip Treatment. Okay. It says 3 Moisturize Hydrator. This is what it looks like. Super excited. It's okay. So it says to use it daily to help promote soft and smooth lips and to apply it to clean lips. So it says to clean your lips first, probably do a nice little scrub. Let's read what it says on the Thrive Cosmetics website. This is a $26 product. The one that we have here in our box is clear. This is what it looks like. So that's great. You can use it, at bedtime if you want to, or if you're going to the beach and you want to just, keep your lips super hydrated. It's clear, which is nice. Let's check out the applicator. It's got a really nice little applicator there. That's nice. Smells amazing. What is that? Vanilla? Vanilla swirl. It's exactly what it smells like. It literally smells like ice cream. It says a cushiony leave-on lip balm treatment that deeply nourishes and restores dull, dry, chapped lips for long-lasting moisture and fuller-looking lips, which I love. So when you moisturize your lips, the more you moisturize them, the more full they're going to appear because they're not dry. It's like a raisin versus a grape, right? A grape is nourished and moist. There's a lot of moisture in it, where a raisin is dry and it's smaller, but they're the same exact thing. It's just how much moisture is in them. So when you use a moisturizing product like this, it's going to give you fuller looking lips, and I am here for it. I have noticed significant wrinkles as I'm aging in my lips, around my lips, and so I'm trying to stay as moisturized as possible. So love that I have this. This will be great for bedtime. I actually might toss this one in my bag for when I don't want to wear lipstick, but I want to make sure my lips are nourished. And this one says it's extra shiny, which is even better. Our next product is the, I think you say this, Phase It Ingrown Hair Bikini Patches. They look like this. I was so intrigued when I read the description for these. So they say that they are hydrocolloid, lactic acid, azelaic acid, and niacinamide. And the purpose of these is they're little patches like this that if you get an ingrown hair, you put the patch on. It says you leave them for 6 to 8 hours, gently peel off and reveal the extracted hair, and you may need to repeat it. But what it does is it works to extract the ingrown hair and to fade hyperpigmentation. So if you've ever had like a massive ingrown hair during the summer, there's nothing worse than when you're trying to put on your bathing suit and things are just really uncomfortable. So what's nice is you can just put this on there and it's gonna soften the skin and pull that hair to the surface. And yeah, this product retails for $20 and their website says that you can extract stubborn ingrown hairs overnight. It says absorbative hydrocolloid technology helps to extract the yuckiness, and I'm not going to say the word, and surface the hair from the ingrown while exfoliating and brightening your skin with active ingredients. So it says ingredients like lactic acid, azelaic acid, and niacinamide help to exfoliate and reduce hyperpigmentation caused from irritation and body hair removal. So looking forward to that. And that's everything in my summer FabFitFun box. I'm super excited. I'm feeling very pumped about all of the things that came in this box. Again, remember that I will have everything linked for you down below so you can sign up for your own FabFitFun box. You can sign up for a seasonal membership for $69.99 every 3 months and use my code Charlotte for 20% off your first box. Or you can sign up annually for $219.99 and use my code CHARLOTTEGIFT. You're gonna get a $200 plus free gift in your first box. So again, thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I loved everything in my summer box. Feeling extra ready for summer, and I hope you guys enjoyed this fun video. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.